So hi everyone, back with another stream of Nasdaq trading. Yeah, let's just get into it. We've got the forex factory open right here. We can see that USD currency has some red folder news. Let's see the details of it. The usual effect. Yeah, so the news come out in half an hour, so I'm not expecting a trade before that, unless there's something clear. But even if I'm probably not gonna take a trade before it. Also, wait, where has it gone? Then in about 45 minutes we have another red news. So yeah, we'll have to wait until then, I guess. But if there's a trade up, a possible trade setup, then I'm gonna take it. So we don't need this anymore. I'm just gonna highlight this. So we've got news here, and we've got the red folder news. This is 5 minutes of right here, and I'm gonna just save this as red folder news. Okay. So right now we're above the midnight open of New York, on a New York timeline. That shows me that there might be an option for bearish setup. We just picked above 8:30 open of New York Stock Exchange. We did tap into this fair value gap. I think it's on a daily time frame, but we must know that it is first day of the month, first trading day. We also have this volume imbalance, so we gotta be aware of that. But yeah, there might be a possible short entry. We could tap into this fair value gap, sweep the sell side liquidity, and actually get a reversal around this area because there's an order block on a 1 hour time frame. We are pushing down right now, so let's take a look how it looks like. We have this fair value gap. We might get a setup before 8:30 actually, but I'm gonna be very careful today. Probably not even gonna take a trade. Hopefully I stick to my plan. Like, I mustn't be nervous or impatient or something like that. That's gonna mess up with my analysis and this actual decision making. So we just tapped into here, immediate reaction, but it's kind of slow. So we probably are going a bit lower. That was on a 5-minute candle. So yeah, we open here. Still got 11 minutes till market open. So that's right here.
velikih 5 pri vlaganju denarja. Spoznajte 5 preprostih, a malo znanih pristopov za izboljšanje donosov v dolgoročnem vlaganju denarja.
So yeah, these news are quite impactful, I see. Just googled it. So yeah, we're gonna be extra careful today. Probably gonna skip till here. After this we can maybe find a setup, depends on what the news are gonna say. There might be a possible reversal after this. Let's see, what do we get on ES? We already swept this one. We might sweep this one. This was at 239. 239 is here. 239 is this high here, so yeah, there might be a huge S&T, which could indicate that we are gonna continue lower, but we must see a solid break of structure to the downside. Only that's gonna confirm the S&T. Until then, we're not gonna touch anything, I think.
What's a dog?
My dog just left the room. She's had enough. I'm also watching trades by Matt on the side just to see what he's doing. He might have some valuable info about the markets today that could either confirm or invalid our bias. Currently at the inverse fair value gap, and this big one, nothing yet. This might be the manipulation move, so we should see a strong push to the downside before we continue lower. We have a lot of generated sell side liquidity here from the Asian session, of course. We did get this push higher, but I believe that we are going to at least sweep this sell side liquidity before continuing higher. So yeah, I'm gonna be extra careful, as I said. I'm not gonna jump into any trades too quickly. Yes, doing okay. We might have another S&T with an S&T, so that huge one here, and also this one, because as you can see we have different highs. Yes, it's still down here. ES already pushing to the downside quite strongly, I think. So NQ might follow up. Oh no, it's reversing now. I'm not gonna speculate on what it's gonna do. I'm just gonna react. We gotta remember that we are observers. We are not predictors of the future. Although the power of 3 currently tells me that we are inside the manipulation move. Yeah, we're probably creating an S&T here, unless this breaks through. People talking without speaking. Okay, we broke through. We created equal highs, so I think that I'm quite confident this was the manipulation move at 9:30. We might get if we get into trade before the news, then I'm gonna try to place a stop loss immediately. So we're dropping down now. Okay. Put it all. My dog is back. Yes, he's looking super bearish right now. It does look like it's gonna break through this low. It created a fifth equal low down here. I think the market is just preparing for the news. Although we could enter here, but this is not enough of a movement. I wouldn't know where to target. Let's see. We could target this high, but how much of a movement that would be? That would be nice, but it might shoot for this one, because if it does, then there's a possibility for a reversal. Although it might just go for the highs here, but if that happens, I want to see some kind of a manipulation move to the downside. The candle since 8:30 looks something like this, with wicks down here and down here, so it's pretty indecisive, I'd say. It's already reversing back to the downside, so this could be our stop loss hunt. There might be an SMT here. As I've said, we gotta wait for a bear setup if there is one, but until then, ain't gonna touch anything. And if the setup, we cannot enter here, and if we are here, I would wanna be in the green, because if we're not, it's not gonna be good. I don't want to trade the news, really. Yes, it's looking like it is bullish, but a lot more bearish than their NQ. We're continuing to make different highs and lows. I mean, the lows are consistent, but the highs are different, so okay. This might be our change of structure. Okay, we're dropping lower. Volume is supporting that. Okay, ES is bearish right now. It's attacking sell side liquidity. NQ still a little hesitating. Wait, so ES just put in 6th equal low. So it could be generating sell side liquidity down here along. I mean, while NQ is just making them higher lows. But that's all like a low resistance liquidity run, as you can see. YM, Dow Jones already super bearish. We did not, there was no real setup here because it just broke structure really, but it is looking very bearish. ES is forming a fair value gap right here unless it goes higher. So that's at the open, which is right here. So yeah, this NQ super bullish. Ah. So we have 6 minutes and a half till first news. It does look like we are not going to change direction yet. Yeah, ES is just putting in a lot of equal lows. There's 7 now. I think we are... No, shit. We are hunting this. So yeah, we just swept this high. And there's an order block here. But we might be going for this one because it's higher. Although, yeah, I think we're gonna sweep this low actually later on. But first we gotta take like either this or this high. They're both visible on 1 hour time frame, so that's a good sign that after this we could see a reversal, but we just peeped above a little, so we might take this one before continuing lower. We did break structure here, but before continuing higher I want to see it move lower. Yeah, so news in 5 minutes. It does look like we are not gonna enter any trade right now. We're just consolidating and preparing the market to just break everything in its direction.
Get back in cheaper, okay? That's the thing. Invalidate your trade and buy back cheaper. If you don't want to do that, and you want to hold it until kingdom come, and you just want to throw generate your own account. We're beating. This is like the fifth time that we've had this conversation. It's getting silly at this point, but
we're also generating buy-side liquidity now, so the news might actually like take out all the liquidity on the buy side and then later reverse.
I have a lot of money waiting for me to get paid out. And if you think that I'm going to try and go against the rules and be a one-person battle against the rules in order to not get $250,000, you're a fucking idiot. I'm trying to get this money out of this account, and I will do my best to get this money out of the account. I'm going to follow the rules. It's not that big of a deal to me. I have a ton of money sitting here for me to follow the rules. $250,000. Sorry that that's more than you can comprehend right now, clearly. But like, my God, it's not that complicated. I've got to follow the rules. If you don't want to follow the rules, go somewhere else. Like, I don't understand how it's this whole like me versus them mentality and like Matt's trying to cover their ass. I'm not. I'm saying I think it's dumb. But at the same time, I understand it because every bad day I've ever had has been because of it. I understand it. I'll follow the rules. I want my money. But like,
we are up in the bet of $50, brother. All on black. Still sad I won't be able to join you all.
say less. Say less. All on black, or do you want to go single number? That's up to you. I'll film either one.
We could do something crazy and just
You get the payout if
a minute before we could put in like an order
I lost it. It's like, well, yeah, it's stayed in my account. I've already requested another payout.
here, for example,
It's just like, man.
and just go
One.
nuts to the downside, or we could like put another order around here and go straight to the upside. So, but at the same time, the price could just do that, and then we're fucked because we might hit both stop losses or both orders, and there would be nothing we could do actually. We're shooting higher still. Yeah, although this was a good setup here, that could be a nice trade. But yeah, I don't know. I'd rather not take a trade than just fuck everything up. Yes, put in another equal high.
You don't like the way that any of the prop firms have rules? Open a live account. It's just like, oh my gosh.
Okay. We might drop lower because this looks super strong. The volume matches the candle size. So news release in about 50 seconds.
Leaderboards go on other props, I am past that because the leverage is there, and so people are very upset that they're getting strickened up a little bit, and I understand that. I mean, there's
Yes, it's already attacking this.
they love is getting more strict, right? And that's fine. Follow the rules.
I wonder when it's gonna, where is it gonna stop? Like just around here. Yeah, like I said, so that's an eighth equal low right here, and pending. What is it pending? So yeah, we are currently bullish.
I think that's why people are the most upset, is that they understand that the power's there and the power's kind of getting a little bit removed from their gambling mindset.
But we might be pushing lower now because we already took out this buy side liquidity, so we might not need to continue higher, but we must see break of this or this before we can actually like go down. But I would not like to put in an order Although we could. That would be a nice move already. Because that right here could be like a 1 to 2. Yeah, that would be a 1 to 2 already. And we might just go continue higher. I mean, ES does not want to continue higher, I guess. It's kind of slow right now. I'm not even gonna look at ES anymore because it's just distracting me.
If you don't want to lose any profits that you potentially could lose, trade your own account.
This right here, yeah, if we entered here, that would be cool because we would get like a very nice profit right now. But if this is deep manipulation move, I want to see a clear setup to the downside. We created another fair value gap over here. Still expecting this to get ran through at some point.
Well, again, those people that are really complaining super hard are like 18-year-old kids who have 20 bucks that they're throwing at a thing and just trying to flip account. And there's nothing wrong. Like, there's nothing wrong with being a young guy who is trying their hardest to make money. I get it, but like at the end of the day, like either adhere to the rules on any prop. Every prop has rules in some capacity, and you got to adhere to them, or you don't get paid. Like, I'm not even talking about Apex. I'm talking about all of them. They all have rules.
I'm not ready to participate yet in the market.
And I got stories about every single one of them. I'm so uninterested in the drama to start spewing all of that, but it's just crazy. And like, I don't care where people trade. I truly don't. I just want people to, I want traders to make money. That is my number one. I get fired up when traders make money. So I'm not in the business of like spewing out all of the nonsense from every prop firm that I've ever been with, right? But man, oh man, it's taken. Oof. Dad joke time. June 3rd, Monday. What does a baby computer call its father?
Yeah, see,
Data.
we're dropping lower.
Classic. Just a classic.
But we did not break through here yet, so
I'll say on all of this is that if you
if I were to enter here,
capable of inventing any sort of rules for yourself, whether you think they're dumb or smart, most people who complain about some rules in any capacity are the ones that will move to a live account, have zero rules, and blow it up in the next 6 months. So the real story here is that most of these people that are complaining, if prop firms didn't exist, we wouldn't have to deal with them in 3 months. It would natural selection, which is unfortunately not the case anymore. Unfortunately, props allow for a cheaper. It's like the good and bad of coin, right? Props allow for cheaper ways to trade with a lot more upside, which is amazing. It keeps people in the game longer. But the flip side is that you keep a lot of people in the game
okay,
longer. That should
I believe this is the stop loss hunt because we might get a nice reversal here. If we put in a fair value gap, yeah, I might enter.
If people are saying that I'm like stuck in there, you know what? It's like I'm not. I've already submitted.
If we continue lower, if we close below this, I'm pretty confident in taking this kind of trade.
When like to me, it's not that big of a deal. Straight up.
Although
I'm just
I
trying to
might
get believe in my name.
enter a bit lower with stop loss here. I'm gonna risk super small actually
Subscriber only mode with solving problems. It is. It's 15
at first. Then we're gonna add
for a while.
create limit order. I'm just gonna put in 1.
So look, I do 100,000,000% agree that they need a legit PR team. I'm so on the same page with you about that. I don't know how anybody can. The real litmus test is that if someone's justifying those PowerPoint presentations, that's a problem.
Bit up, bit one.
PCA, yeah. It's that people are jumping on something they're most passionate about, and the people I've actively, like I know who I've actively blown up for doing just exactly that. Nice slab. We got VWAP coming up 700 right now, 700 psych level. We got some juice down below into the 80s. I have a whole write-up on it on the community tab. I'd recommend going and watching.
Yeah, my analysis was correct actually. So
We're going and reading that. Excuse me. Here's VWAP. Nice slap, honestly. That's 50 points.
I like to see that.
The VWAP buy there is.
But I just want to see us like reverse at some point.
50-point slap off. It kind of makes sense to bounce it a little bit, which we are seeing in some capacity, right? A little 10-pointer.
Because we just broke through here, so we might go even lower.
I don't know anybody who has
This does look like a nice reversal point.
stayed away from the shitstorm that is for their entire account existence. Who haven't been on live accounts.
This might have been the actual opportunity right here. Because if we entered here, yeah, that would be cool. We are slowing down though.
The money's still there. If they remove the money, then you should be pissed. The rules broken. Too many exactly what you have on. Yeah, exactly. Again, completely agree. And I wouldn't even be pissed if the money was gone for the day that I did it. Broke a rule, take the money out. But the money's still there, so deny my payout. I still get to keep the money, and I was still trading, obviously. So I'm already good to go again.
Do I want to get in or not? I still have the opportunity to not.
Back into 700. Interesting spot here. If we're gonna have more continued downside, that 698 spot's pretty interesting to me. We got news in 7 minutes, obviously, as well. When Matt rants, the market stump. Yeah. It's not even a rant. It's literally just like, I mean, just this one is just me. I honestly I'm not talking about it again. I feel like I've talked about it so effing much. Like I'm here to trade. Gotta get back to trade. But unfortunately, I think this was like the big write-up. I expected to talk about it one more time after the big write-up, and now I'm done. The solutions are incredibly obvious to me, which is use the rules and the leverage and take payouts. If you don't like the rules, go somewhere else. If you don't like any of the prop world rules, go to a live account. That is the solution. Plain and simple. Everything else is out of our hands. That is the solution. All of the rules are against us. Period. Vegas, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at all of this, huh? 80, 60, 90, 60, 50, 70. A lot of stuff down there. Do you hate repeating yourself all the time? Not for simple questions. Not for the questions that I repeat, 5 times a day. I don't mind those ones. It's the ones that are like somewhat polarizing topics that I really hate. I.e. this one. Ask me about volume profile every day, and it's fine. All right, I'll tell you what point of control is every single day. It doesn't bother me. really well on the 5 minute or on the 22 range, excuse me, and on the 1 minute chart. 88.5. 5 minute low. And a nice kick down and slap back up. And it makes my arm hairs stand up. I hate that flavor. Like, significantly, I actually hate it. It's making my eyebrows. Life is peachy. That is all other FAQs. That is very explicitly stated in their FAQs. You are allowed to do it to winners. I know, Palmetto, it's insane, man. It's insane. All right, back on VWAP. We got ISM coming out at 9 o'clock in 3 minutes, in 2 minutes-ish. As an FYI. You can add one more entry to a loser. Yes, you can add, if you're in a losing trade, you can add one trade, no matter the size, into a losing position. That is green lighted. That's okay. If you do 2 times, that's bad. So you're allowed to you can add in as many times as you want on a winning trade. So if I have a trade right now at 80 and I wanted to add one at 60, yes, that is a red trade. Yes, I can add one at 60. If I wanted to add another at 50, I cannot do that. There's the rules explicitly stated. It's all in the FAQ. What's up, Fletcher? You sound sick. See, it's my allergies, man. I'm working hard to be 100% for Vegas. I'm taking Claritin, emergency, trying to get sleep, but sleep is just not happening for me right now. I don't know what the deal is. But yeah, the allergies right now. It's been super windy here, and it's like just not good for me. Taking some vitamin D as well, a little bit of zinc.
Half minute, 20 seconds actually until the news come out. There's a lot of news right now, so red, orange, and yellow folders. So
Also, we got data. 10 seconds.
we're gonna see. What does it do? I'm not sure if I.
Thin,
Wow.
thin, thin, very thin, very thin.
That was a close one. Almost hit it, I think.
Little 40 pointer, 50 pointer actually, 80 to 30, yeah. All right, now I can get into it.
If you break through here, we have an SMT at the highs.
Yeah, I don't know if it's working or not. I mean, same Reddit account, I believe.
Yeah, we are going lower. Yeah, my bias was correct actually. I was just really scared of this news. Wait.
That's right. I'm checking right now. Oh, wait, 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 wait. I'm on 22. Excuse me, 22 through 41. 22 through 41. This is day 71.
Although right now we might see like a reversal. We respected this fair value gap. It was really small, but you might get the reversal over here. Trade. That would be a nice trade actually, but it's fine, it's fine. Like, I'm not trying to FOMO into it.
All right, back to VWAP. I'm a little heavy. Yeah, I honestly, we're in like a kind of a weird spot where we're up on the session, right? And Friday was so insane on the buy up that it's like, are we gonna chop VWAP or are we going to go retrade some of that? You know? And I don't know the answer to that, obviously. I would say that this doesn't look super. I wouldn't say it looks super strong yet to me. Rhythmic issues, bro. All right, there's always a bunch of software people that message me about working on the trading platform, which we're okay with right now. Don't need it. That being said, your software, you're a developer, bro. Message me if you want to build a new and updated Rhythmic, because we will be rich. All we have to do is build a Rhythmic that works and scales and allows for more than 30 gigs of data download and has updated UI, a working mobile website.
So yeah, we are going bearish.
Dashboards for both the
The news, it was all negative, so that should drive the news lower. I mean, it did from here to here, but right now I don't know if we were gonna drop lower or are we gonna continue back up. We're kind of at the middle of the range from here to here. Let's take a look. This does look extra bearish, like no signs of bullishness. We tapped into this order block right here. We are rejecting it. I think we are dropping down here, so yeah, I'm gonna continue to watch this.
Please work in the industry for at least 10 years. That's also valid. Please have some form of actual like experience. Trading experience not necessarily as required. It's already being created. I'm sure it is. I don't see it. Do you?
If we get a fair value gap, then I'm gonna enter off of it.
Because all these props and
Too bad we didn't enter in here, but at the same time, I kind of kept myself safe. So, although this would have been a nice trade, though, lots of movement. I want to sell this, but I'm not confident in it. We are approaching.
Yeah, thus anything in business, Jeremy. Any sort of success in any capacity is usually a little bit of luck mixed in there. A lot of pre-work, decent amount of work, right connections, a little bit of luck. Right place, right time. Did you watch UFC 302? I did not. Excuse me. I'm not very I like watching UFC if it's on.
This was the setup of the day, but
It's not like a normal routine for me by any means. I'm around someone who loves it. I love watching it. I just forget about it quickly, and it's usually really late at night when I'm not down. Rhythmic amps working fine. Yeah, their live environment's working fine. It's the simulated servers that are getting big problems. I mean, imagine how many accounts I have running on there right now. There's no telling. The answer's a crap ton. Brainless. People have already answered you. Mike Tyson fight got delayed. I think it got canceled, actually.
we're still in consolidation. I don't like this. We put on the relatively equal highs here, so we might sweep those and continue back lower. 4-hour candle looking bearish. We are rejecting this though, so yeah, we might be going after this low here. An hour candle. I'm expecting the move lower, then continuing higher. So first, we're going around here into this fair value gap, and then we're gonna reject it and move on. So right now, yeah, we might be having a setup for me here. I'm gonna enter, I think,
We've got some sellers coming through.
at
What I would like to see right now is like a push into 50. We'll call it like a push into 30. Close 30, retest 50. Short, obviously. Assuming we have sellers holding in. But right now we got juice back up into 90. So like a return back up into the VWAP looks not terrible. We have settlement down at 590. That looks pretty good. Copy trading is basically just being lost out on the negative. Sam, that's your problem again today. Yeah, the problem with multipliers, though, Gary, is that you can't technically individually trade those, right? And a lot of people don't actually truly copy all 20. A lot of people have 20 and trade.
okay, we're in a trade right now.
So the multiplier wouldn't work. But it is valid.
That's just a distraction. If we break through here, I'm moving my stop, but before that, not really.
I think the New York Stock Exchange is glitching out. I think that's what some would say. This has happened. It happened a couple years ago. I very clearly remember it happening a couple years ago as well. January 24, 2023. There we go.
Okay. Yeah, we're just jumping around, so...
George, thanks for the $1.99. Chat said yes.
Is Rhythmic having issues again?
I haven't placed a trade, so I don't know, but chat said yes.
Let's close below this. Okay, we did. Yeah. I don't know what to think about this. Like, if we break through here, we're definitely changing to the upside, so there might be a bullish setup after this. But I'm just expecting the price to go lower. We did create the first fair value gap after this huge consolidation here, so we might reject it. But if we don't, yeah, we might be mistaken here, but I don't really give a damn. Yeah, we're out. We're definitely pushing higher, so okay, we did not get stopped out yet, but we will in the next move, I think. Almost surely about now. Now we're so close. So we are bullish right now. We swept these lows. We already came close to this, so we just disrespected this. Yeah, I'm gonna put in an order here. Unless it's just gonna leave us behind, which is fine. I'm not even sure I want to get in. Okay, now I'm in. We are risk free now because I don't want to mess everything up. Yeah, we should be risk free, so that's cool. I just want to see us move higher, like a lot higher. Okay, we got stopped out. I might re-enter. Bullish. Yeah, we're out. We're out. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Čeprav lahko bi še držal, ampak... Sorry for not speaking much, but... After catching this move... That's quite nervous actually. Oh, shit. Yeah, we're gonna rip lower. Yeah, but it's fine, it's fine. I'm really happy with this. Finally some good trades. Yeah. Yeah, we could have just held it. I moved my stop loss too close. Should have put it in here. Because that would be, yeah. Where did I get knocked out? So yeah, here. Yeah, I should have waited. I should have put my stop loss here. Then I could have at least put it here then. And catch a little bit more of this move. Because I believe we are going after this one, so. Let's just mark this out so I can see. Sell side. Because we are so close to it, so we should just go straight down to it. Yeah, never mind, it was fine. It was totally fine. Our exit was cool. Because then I would have put it here. Maybe, or here. And I would have gotten stopped out anyway. So yeah, we swapped this sell side. And on 1 hour time frame, that's actually an order block, so yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine. I just wish we didn't take all these unnecessary buys here. I should have waited here and held on to my analysis, because we did have a fair value gap in here. But after seeing this, I was kind of, wait, maybe we are turning back up, so I took it. We didn't lose much, so that's good. With those trades, we lost almost nothing. And after catching this, my bias was correct once again. I'm using just a simple, like, if the price until 9 AM is above midnight open in New York time, then we're most likely tap into some higher time frame PD array, which is right here. I think it's either an order block or, wait, maybe I have it tapped out here, so yeah, that's an order block, I believe, or it's a fair value gap on a 4 hour time frame. Yes, we tapped into it. Later we dropped down. We had an SMT with the news breakthrough here, so it was valid. Those buys here, no wait, this was FOMO a little, but I thought it's gonna make this move here. We created this fair value gap, bullish direction, so I thought that we were gonna go up. I just wasn't really sure, because yeah, but I could have seen it, because there was not enough buy side liquidity to get in here, and the 15-minute and a 5-minute time frame were both like super bearish actually. Even with this in here, I should have known that this is just a retracement back after this extension that broke through a structure all the way down here. So yeah, and also this was like just above the discount, I mean the premium. So yeah, my bias was very great until it changed here, but it changed for no reason, because this was actually the high that we should have seen broken, and we were still respecting all the bearish fair value gaps, even though we respect this one. Yeah, but should have known that this was just like a small retracement, another market maker sell model inside of another market maker sell model. We are pushing lower, but yeah, this right here was a very good entry to add to this position over here. So yeah, very great trade. I will journal this after stream. Hope you all enjoyed it. See you later. Bye.